Today we're going to learn how to make a brachiosaurus and a pterodactyl. Get your paper and fold the bottom right corner to the top end. Use scissors to cut away the extra unfolded paper, like so. Open your square and fold the top right corner along the diagonal crease. Now, fold the other side in to meet the diagonal crease. Fold in half and take the long side of your triangle and, leaving about 2 fingers width, fold to make a 90-degree angle. Open your paper to invert the fold and fold open to the top of the triangle. Fold the tip of the triangle over, like so. Now fold to make a 90-degree angle and invert the tip of the triangles. Insert the tip of the triangle underneath itself and fold. Insert the tip of the triangle underneath itself and fold on the other end of your paper. Fold backwards half of the piece you just finished folding under to peek out. Cut out one rectangle about 1/3 of the length of your shape in the middle. Finished!
We are going to continue by making a pterodactyl. First, we need to make a square out of our paper, so we're going to fold the corner like so and cut the rest of the paper off. Now once we have our triangle, we are going to fold it in half and press firmly along the edge here. Then we are going to open our triangle and we are going to fold this corner down, and then we will repeat with the other side. Now we are going to open our triangle and smooth out the creases. Then we are going to fold this part up, and there should be 2 places where the paper connects. We are going to take it and fold the paper in half. Then we are going to fold this part up like so, and we will repeat with the other side. Now we are going to fold this top triangle down and repeat with the other side. Now we are going to open it up a bit and continue with this peak here. Here, we need to fold this triangle in just like we did in the beginning, but this time it's smaller. And repeat with the other side too as well. Make sure to push down firmly, as now it's a lot of paper folded. Now for the wings, we are going to make a gentle fold here and then press firmly and repeat with the other side. Next, we are going to open the wings a bit. And now here where the point is, we are going to flatten it and then bend it back together. And there you have it, our pterodactyl. You can see his beak and the long wings. Bye bye!